this is a power monitoring and app designed for the Xilinx ultra scale ZCU106 board. So by using this app, you can monitoring the voltage levels and the current level and the power consumptions of the FPGA on the board, and also at the same time that you can scaling the voltage of the FPGA and also the frequency of the FPGAs. So, for example, here at a moment that the FPGA is working at the nominal frequency and voltages. So by scaling down the voltage, you can see that the power consumption is dropping as the voltage decrease. So for this board, at the moment, the minimal voltage level you can reach to the 0.65 volt, and by at the same time that I can also increase the tuning or scaling the frequency for the FPGA. For example, I can change the voltage frequency from 100 megahertz to 150 megahertz. So I can see that there is a power consumption increment when I increase the frequencies. So you can see that when I further increase the frequency, there is a power consumption increment without changing the voltages. Okay. So let me just change it back to the nominal voltage of the FPGA board, which is 0.85 volt. So I can see that all the scaling and the monitoring are both operating at the runtime. Okay, I change it back the frequency to the nominal frequencies, 100 megahertz. So by using this app, we can just not only we can just visualize the power consumption at the runtime by changing the voltage and frequencies, and also we can save the figures by using the save figure button. So we can save the figures as well, and also we can save the data to the disk. So for the future analysis as well. So yeah, this is pretty much the a app that I developed for the ZCU106 board, used for study the voltage scaling approximation for the FPGA.